He's burying his head down there too, like Brownie does. That's a handsome boy. That's a handsome boy.
Is it Browney-Girl? That's a baby girl.
And Brownie's such a good girl. Being such
That's
a
a good girl.
sister.
That's a good
I
girl.
need to get him a blue leash.
He's got one.
Colin.
Noah. 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 Look, Noah. Brownie, settle down. Settle down. Settle down. Be a good girl. Be a good girl. How long is it going to take them to get to know each other good? Are we talking weeks or Brownie? Please.
This might be a problem because Brownie, I don't know if Brownie will be protective of me. This is going in the place.
Browney-Girl.
Oh, she's doing good.
What's that, Browney-Girl?
She's doing a good girl. Good girl, Brownie. Good girl. Oh. Oh. Oh.
Brownie's all wrapped up in that blue leash.
I know. Brownie,
You're gonna break her leg.
No bites. Well, they go at it. I can't get rid of it because the leash is on Brownie. Got the
Brownie,
off
sit.
my hand.
Brownie, sit. Brownie, sit. Sit. Good girl. Good girl. You're pulling the leash up a little, or the collar up a Noah.
Well, I gotta get the leash.
Well, let go of it. Just let go of it.
What if they start going at it? Then we don't have a hold to do
And Brownie's got her leg all wrapped up in that blue one. Let go of it, Tiger.
I'm trying, Dad.
Well, get her leg out of it. Alright. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Brownie, come sit. Come sit. You want place? You want place? Go place. Go place. Brownie, go place. Why are you panting so? It's not hot in here. Why are you panting? Why are you panting so hard, baby?